Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video we will be re-evaluating the breakdown of the symmetrical triangle like discussed here previously in the video that we have been uploading on the channel. As well, we will be going real quickly in towards the MACD as well, flipping bearish right now here. We will be as well talking about the potential breakdown of this important supportive line here in the previous symmetrical triangle. And we will be talking about our next targets that I will be looking for Bitcoin right now here. So, guys, if you're a Bitcoin holder, I should highly suggest watching this video till the end here. This is a very, very quick update video because, of course, earlier today, guys, we have been talking already about the symmetrical triangle, and since we have been seeing a breakdown go, of course, we have been keeping you guys up to date here about on our Twitter page. You can be following me right away here, Rover CRC. And with this have being said, guys, let me go right away into the video and let me discuss the next targets here. So, yeah, like discussed, we have been anticipating this breakdown, and of course, since seeing this 30-minute candle close below this level, guys, I've been putting out a tweet for you guys that we are going to see our price target getting reached anytime soon here. And of course, since looking at the price target, guys, we already reached our 4.4% move approximately towards the downside, and we can be potentially, of course, go towards a little bit of higher target in the immediate short term if I'm talking about the 30-minute candles. But if I'm looking and zooming out a little bit towards the 4-hourly time frame, I do expect some more bearish momentum to enter the market because we are currently breaking certain trend lines. Well, it can be, of course, quite bearish for Bitcoin. So let me go right away into the next chart, because on this chart we can't be reading anything new here unless the 30-minute is right now, of course, pretty oversold. And usually once the RSI is getting oversold on which time frame soever, we tend to see a little bit of an increase, and I do expect at least Bitcoin to at least fight back a little bit here, and to see maybe, of course, if we're going to climb back, we can be potentially go for another drop off here. But it is, for me right now, not looking particularly strong here for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So, guys, let me see what Bitcoin, of course, is doing here. We have been starting a beautiful trend here, to be honest, for Bitcoin. We've been starting to set higher highs, and we have been starting to set higher lows as well here on the MACD. But right now, we have been forming, of course, this bearish crossover once again here. And the only bullish thing that can be playing out right now for Bitcoin is, of course, that we are going to set a higher low on the MACD low here, because this can be still identifying that the sellers are really losing strength right now, and that we can be potentially looking for some more long orders here on the 1-hourly candles. So this will be a thing that I will be looking out for sure on the channel. And of course, if we're going to see some more development playing out, I will be once again keeping you guys up to date like you can expect from me. So, yeah, not necessarily looking extremely strong right now here, because this is also a lower low that we have been creating. So it just updated, and you can clearly see that there is more bearish momentum coming in towards the market. So yeah, pretty exciting to see here, of course. But right now as well, looking at Bitcoin, guys, on the 4-hourly candles, you can see we have been looking at this important upward sloping supported line here, and this one has been holding us up here ever so slightly here since, of course, the 18th of June, 2 days ago. But yeah, right now, since we are going to break below it, this is going to be quite bearish, and this is going to be push prices a little bit lower once again here, just like it did over here. So yeah, definitely have to keep your eyes out on this one. And definitely this can be still leading towards, yes, a few lower price targets getting reached here. So yeah, for sure, you have to keep your eyes out on this one. I will be definitely not looking for a price target of the symmetrical triangle, because I don't think it's very valid anymore. Since seeing a fake out towards the downside, since seeing a fake out towards the upside, I was only approaching this level as important support, but I will be not approaching it as an important price target that we are going to reach here. In the future, guys, really depending on how the next 1 hour is going to go for Bitcoin, we can be maybe potentially still set a bullish divergence, because the RSI, if we're going to creep up a little bit here on this 4-hourly candle, the RSI can go up as well a little bit here. And we can still create a bullish divergence where the prices, of course, are still standing lower. So that can be as well still potentially playing out here. So I should highly suggest looking at this 4-hourly candle close here. And of course, guys, if we're going to see some kind of development playing out here, I will be keeping you guys for sure up to date here on my Twitter page at RoverCRC. You can be following me already over here. So yeah, quite exciting what we are having over there. But yeah, as well, guys, what are my next targets that I'm right now looking for? Because personally, I do think the trend is, of course, a thing that you want to be playing with. And it was still quite ambitious if we are still going to hold on, of course, towards this higher low trajectory. But right now, of course, we have been clearly setting a lower high once again here. So yeah, the trend was first, of course, beautiful towards the upside, and we were setting higher lows each and every time here. But since breaking this trend right now and setting a lower low, I mean, yeah, you do want to be looking at the more bearish side here, and you can clearly see this trend is going towards the downside. So yeah, personally, I'm anticipating targets around the 31k getting reached here maybe in the future. And of course, for me, the major accumulation levels will be for sure around the 31k. So yeah, I have to be looking out for it. And of course, We all know the wall around the 30k is an extreme big wall here, so I should not easily anticipate that we're going to break through this wall here, because there are a lot of buy orders set up over there, and the whales really want to be pushing the prices lower and benefiting from the FUD to, of course, accumulate more and more. Because if we're looking to on-chain data, guys, we're seeing that there is a lot of accumulation going around here. So yeah, immediate short term, I can be a little bit more bearish right now here, but of course, you know, if I'm going to zoom out here, then I'm feeling extremely bullish here. Personally, I do think that the 31k is going to hold on here, but we are potentially going to go for a retest. So yeah, looking out for this one. We can already potentially reverse from here on as well. So yeah, there are definitely several things that can be playing out here. And the reason why I do think that we can as well potentially reverse from here on is because we're already getting pretty oversold. And usually once you're already in such oversold stages, it doesn't really tend to even drop further. But of course, I'm personally still have some buying orders set up around the 31.1k here. This level will be acting as a major wall for Bitcoin. And of course, the more times we're going to knock on this certain level, the more likely it will be that we're going to break it. But these are my buying orders that I set up here. So yeah, we'll be looking out for these ones to get filled here. But of course, if we're going to move up here, it doesn't matter. I will be, of course, still benefiting from it. So personally, yeah, definitely don't think that we're going to break below this level. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching here. This was a quick update video for you guys, for everyone who's interested in Bitcoin, of course, guys. Make sure to smash up the likes here if you're appreciating these quick update videos. And of course, if you want to be seeing more of these quick update videos, let me know in the comment section, because then I will be doing it more frequently, and I will be posting more and more stuff for you guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys once again in the next one. Goodbye.